gone, now the night is gone.
Alam niyo ba to?
As it seems that long, we hardly have two words to say. Hold me in your arms for just another day. I promise this one will go slow. We have the right, you know. We have the right. So here I am, asking for another day. Understand the one that you love in so many ways. That is all.
That is the last song.
I've been so long 1,000 times. The songs that no one else could even hear. Listen to the flame of love. Couldn't hold it and it disappeared. I've lived to learn to hate the blue. I believe in everything that you do.
Last time.
I can't believe my eyes see you.
Ako na share ha? Ako na may
Looking
kulit.
just the way you should.
Ako na share ha?
So good it's too good to be true. I live my life to like it with you. Still when I see you, I can't believe my
Palakpakan mo siya. Gusto niyo pa ba? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Gusto niyo nang sumayaw? Ako din, sayaw na ako eh. Atong next song, di ba ginawa natin last, yung last time nag-flashlight tayo dito? Pwede bang mag-request ulit? Ibang kanta naman to eh, hindi naman yung same ng dati. Sige. Uy, before natin kantahin yung next song, happy birthday to our Honorable Vice Mayor
Oy!
and City Councilor,
Happy
Jarrell
birthday!
Aba. Happy
Vice
birthday!
Mayor, happy birthday!
Advance happy birthday po!
Ang daming papakainin ni Vice Mayor.
Ikaw sabi? Pagami.
At mamaya kakantaan natin siya ng birthday song. Ayan. Ito muna. Pwede mo bang i-request na i-on natin ang flash? Gawin natin ulit dito. Gawin natin ulit pero ibang kanta naman. O, sige. Parang may bago naman. Okay lang ba? Requesting everyone. Kana yun.
Meron ba tayong flashlight?
Thank you so much. And sabayan niyo po ako sa kantang ito. Napakaganda kanta.
DJ.
Alright.
Pwede kayo sumayaw mamaya. Okay lang? Ayan. Dito, pwede natin i-on dito yung flashlight. Ayan. And you can sing along with me. Dahil daw pakagandang kanta to. Lakasan niyo yung mga boses niyo. To all friends who made it big, and all the faces, and talk about the places they've been. To all sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago.
Flashlights!
How are they to know? You know this?
Suga flashlights.
Someday they'll meet again. Have a need for more. Togetherness, maybe this time.
Naku-memorize tayo. Come on!
Maybe now there can be more. Dito lakasan nyo.
more than just friends.
She's got in his life.
That's right.
It's alright. Maybe this time love for it.
Sa likod. DJ, your kids. Alright.
It's the same old feeling, not again. It's the one day way back when you were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time doesn't move away. It's burning even brighter than you did before. Come on,
Sabay, sabay, sabay.
Something kept them one more waiting for magic more. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back then. Something kept them. Isa pa. Waiting for this magic more. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back then. They tried, but something kept them. You want to dance? Gusto niyo ba mag-party?
Alright.
Open ang ating dance floor ha, sa lahat ko naman gusto sumayaw. And let's enjoy this night, guys. Come on, sayawan ng party people! Ayan, sa mga gustong sumayaw, huwag kayong mahiya pumunta rito sa gitna. Samahan niyo kami mag-enjoy sa night. Come on! Party people, everybody dance!
To the beat.
Already have time, we're about to enjoy you know now.
To the DJ.
Let's go!
Pwede ba kita na yun?
Nasa likod, hindi ko mo sayang yun, ha?
Ay po na binakasam?
Are you ready to dance? Such a
It's always never ending. The last love from me. Hey, hey, 1, 2, 3. Pagputput, pagpiko, nawalay lubi-lubi. Pagkata, mungko, nawalay lubi-lubi. Pagputput, pagpiko, nawalay lubi-lubi. Pagkata, mungko, nawalay lubi-lubi. Huwag na'y lubi-lubi, ay ikumpras ni pare. Nasukok si Mare, isugal ang halik sa lubi. Huwag na'y lubi-lubi, ay ikumpras ni pare. Nasukok si Mare, isugal ang halik sa lubi.
Ako'y sabi mo! Before that, magpa-picture sa miwi. Kaya basig malingaw mi, makalimot mi pa-picture ninyo. So, kadyot lang ni ka. Katuwa lang.
Let's go, right, people!
Nag-enjoy ba mo? Siyempre.
Wala pa, nagsugod pa lang sa'yo. Yun na. Alright, sa mga nasa likod, pwede natin itaas yung mga kamay natin para makita tayo sa camera. Magpa-picture po tayo rin. One side and side.
Yes.
S to side to side. Alright! Taas ka mo! Pwede ba nating i-off muna tong yung mga front parlets natin, mga madlang people, para kita tayo hanggang sa Mars. Okay? Pwede ba natin i-off muna yung frontals, lights engineer, para hindi tayo against the light yung nasa likod.
Video ko, boss.
Yung, pati yung follow spot po, kung pwede,
Thank you.
para mailawan yung mga tao. Pwede ba natin i-off yung follow spot? Yung follow spot. Yeah! Alright! Oh yeah! Alright! Taas kamay! Taas kamay, Tanoy! Say A! Alright! A lang, walang waki.
Ay!
Taas kamay, hanapin niyo yung tsura niyo sa Facebook, ha? Oh, dito na naman. Ang pinaka-power na mga dancer sa kalibutan ba? Ano yung speaker rin? Sige. Alright, taas kamay! Say A! Ay, wakisan sila, oh. Alright! Dire na madalas kili. Alright, taas kamay! Nasa likod, taas kamay para makita tayo. Asa mo ko na, Beth? Dire. Busig asa lang, okay na na. Dito na na. Alright, taas kamay! Say A! A po mo diya ba? Maki lang mo ba? Atik-atik lang mo ba? Alright! Alright!
Panayon na sa magsayaw!
Alright,
Gusto mo masayaw? At least nakapahuli mo gamay.
Alright, let's go!
Are you ready to go?
That's when it's a viral in the marketplace. Molly is the singer in a bit. That's the voice when it's the morning. I like your face and monetization, presentation. Let's go! Oh, bloody, oh, bloody, that is so good. Let's go! Oh, bloody,
Sayang mga Siyempre! Woo! Grabe energy!
Gusto niyo pa bang sumayaw? Nag-enjoy ba tayo lahat ngayong gabi? Ay na mo kaulaw, wanayaw na tantanan. Let's enjoy the night. Advance Merry Christmas sa lahat. Come on! By the rivers of God, we sat down. In the air we went. Now I remember side. Let's go! By the rivers of God, there we sat down.
Sa likod mo!
In the air we went. Now I remember Zion. Yes, the weak is a carries away captivity. The triumph from us to some. Now all shall be seen.
Tigilan mo. Anak ba? Ilabasin na ang kalokohan. Come on! Wag yun na. Tigilan pa sila. Sige na. Doy-doy. Lalabas din lang. Wow! Kamilong na naman ako.
Pero namang isang lalaki, magtuloy siya ng imabili. Pero pag bilog ang buwan, siya nagdadamit na. Na naman ang nilabasin na ang kalokohan. Nabigilan na nga sumakilan siya. Huwag niyo na pipigilan na pa. Sige na, sige na, sige pa. At doy-doy, lalabas din lang. Kamilong. Sige, sayaw eh! Sige, ikiray. Oh yeah! Bilog. Yan naman ang awan. Bilog ka ng nilabasin na ang kalokohan. Nabigilan na nga sumakilan siya. Huwag niyo na pipigilan na pa. Sige na, sige pa. At oy, lalabas din lamang. Kamilog na naman ang ako'y nangahara na lamang. Umaawit ng parabola. Ganyan ako pang bilog ang buwan. Mas nalusad na bubuwang ngayong bilog. Na naman ang buwan. Ilabasin niya ang kalokohan. Nabigilan na kasumakilan siya. Huwag mo na pipigilan na pa. Sige pa. At oy, lalabas din lamang. Kamilog na naman ang Kamilog na naman.
Gusto niyo ba? Grabe energy! Woo! Kamu diri okay na mo diri? Dili ko halata. Murag wala may choice kundi maglingaw. But anyways, gusto pa man mo? Gusto man na lang. Come on!
Hey, pretties on the single ladies in Dunhurst City. Hey, you put your hands in the air, everybody. You put your hands in the air, everybody. Say, say, hey, oh. Give me that. Everybody say, come on. Girl, you're my angel. Say, I can hear you closer than my lips. You are to me. Come on. Shawty, you're my angel. Say, girl, you're my friend when I'm in need. Varför som vi hade wanna stilla. Tapos gonna have you back when it's over. Ett tag på when you let me have your fun. Inte jag får sana wanna love. Looking at selfie, I'll be as a vision. I see me not eating your much attention. I see what's in from a cancer reason. I want to the reason of my appreciation. Hey, everybody say, closer than my place, you are to me. I can hear you, show you my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need. You're a queen and you should be treated. I do love it and the loving not so needed. I don't play for the cat and so heated. It's okay, can't beat it, it is so complicated. Mama said I say a nice dizzy program. That's a little Mr. Rabbit every motion. And I'll be there and I'll put you away so strong. I'll be there, get it so long. I just got another beat for the girl, you're my angel. Everybody, hey, closer than my peeps, you are to me. Shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Sabi niya, ubok si Mira. May dakong paa. Yung nanigo na siya. Sabi niya, og labandira. sa mga kantsaw. Ang ako ko yan daw angin-angin o gabaw. Grabe, kaayo mga tawa. Bakit ito ba na hindi nakita ko lata? Papaabot lang ta sa panahon.
One more time.
Ang ako ko yan magwapan yung silo. Everybody say, closer than my peace you are to me. Shawty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. You're my friend when I believe. Hey, one more time. Shawty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. I can hear you, closer than my peace you are to me. Baby, shawty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. You're my friend when I believe. Baby, hey. Para sa lahat ng mga nagre-request sa OPM.
Alam niyo ba ba?
Para sa request. Ayos ba tayo dyan sa gilid? Ayos ba tayo dyan sa likod? Ayos ba tayo dyan sa likod? Alright! Di ko alam kung bakit, puro na lang masakit. Di ko alam kung bakit, laging tanong ay bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit, laging tanong ay bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Sabay-sabay! In 3, 2, 3. Kayo po na nakaupo. Yung tumayo, bring it on, yo. Ganito kasi. Mic check, yo. Nakaupo, nagsito pa kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran. Taas sa pader, di na paligiran. Nakapilang mga mamahalin sa sakyan. Magmamantay na langit, pulong ng bulong. Wala namang kasal, pero marami ang nakabaro. Lumakas pa ng ulan, eh walang butas sa bubong. Mga planong magsara na kinikilala. Tutong matanggahin na simuli na gatasan na sa kahon. Kaya na hindi paso sa lamesa, may hamon. Sara siguro maniran sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nila, tumuring matatapuan ang tao na namamay-ari ng isang upuan. Nagpagkakataon ay pinag-aagawan. Kaya naman, yun yung pinagkakaon. Mas malakas, mahalipan. Yung kayo pa matigas na upo. Tumayo, yo. Mama, no, walang gana ng puso sa taong nakaupo. Alam yung mga makara ng bigas na ripon. Hindi kamay namin ay pinatapit-tapit pero sabi sobrang init at tumutunaw ng ilo na di kayang piling o pangilagay sa inumin. Pinakulong tubig sa loob at ako rin uling-uling. Kami ang pagkatong na inanag lamang sa isero. Nasisilbing kusinat sa umangin namin banyo ang aking inay na may kayaman ng isang kaldero. Ganun gamit ng pagdam naking ang maisumelo pero kulang na kulang pa rin. Kulang na tuyot kasi at sikot na kaya sa matangaway pang nagkasyahin. Di ko alam kung talagang maraming harang ang mataas na abang. Kung doon po walang kulangan lamang po kayo. Kaya sa dami ng pera nyo walang doktor na mapapagpapalit ang mata nyo kaya.
Wag ka masyado
Sige!
bato sa you guys. Get on the song, you can sing along with me.